Hey, all you train fans out there, does anybody know this engine? Anybody? I mean, its whistle sounds different. Look. I'll play it again for you. All you train fans out there and Thomas fans, comment below which engine is this. That doesn't even look like an engine at all. I mean, look at the side rods. Like, look. He moves in a different way. But that's not all. That's not even an engine. I mean, where's his face? Comment below who is this engine? Does it still have a name? Comment below and tell me which engine is this. And tell me if it still has a name. And tell me who is this engine.